Today's update is nothing short of groundbreaking. DJI, the undisputed king of consumer drones, is once again ready to shake the skies. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is no longer speculation, it's real, and it's coming in hot. If you're into aerial photography, drone cinematography, or you're just a tech enthusiast like me, you're going to want to sit down for this one. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the official specs, leaked features, price range, release date, and why the Mini 5 Pro could become the most revolutionary ultralight drone ever. Release. DJI Mini 5 Pro, no longer a rumor, it's confirmed. The buzz began when renowned filmmaker Mauro Tandoi teased a short but extremely revealing clip. Simply captioned, DJI Mini 5 Pro, work in progress, the teaser showed just a few seconds of action, but those seconds were enough to get the drone community on full alert. In the clip, a mountain biker rests beside what's now believed to be the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Though subtle, a number of visual cues stood out: sleeker arms, new motor housings, an overall more aerodynamic build, and yes, that classic foldable design that DJI fans have come to love. But beyond aesthetics, this drone could be setting new records in the lightweight drone segment. This isn't just a small update over the Mini 4 Pro. We're talking about a generational leap, a total reimagination of what an ultralight drone can do. DJI appears ready to rewrite the rulebook with new technology, smarter sensors, and features typically reserved for much larger aircraft. Release date and availability, sooner than expected according to reliable insider Jasper Ellens. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially set for launch on August 7, 2025. That's a full month ahead of the original projections, and DJI enthusiasts couldn't be more thrilled. It appears DJI is accelerating their product cycles and pushing innovation at a breakneck pace. Mark your calendars, because in less than a month, the sky will have a new ruler. A game-changing battery, flight time reimagined. Now here's where it gets really exciting. A leaked FCC certification has revealed that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 4,680 mAh, 33.5 Wh battery. That's a massive jump from what we saw in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. To put it in practical terms, this new battery could allow for 50 to 55 minutes of uninterrupted flight time, depending on wind conditions, payload, and flight speed. That's almost an hour of aerial capture without landing, a dream come true for landscape videographers, surveyors, vloggers, and drone content creators alike. And yes, because this leak comes straight from official FCC documentation, it's as real as it gets. Massive sensor upgrade, 1-inch imaging power. If you've ever struggled with low-light footage on smaller drones, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has a solution for you. The upcoming drone is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a dramatic leap in imaging power for a drone that weighs under 250 grams. This isn't just about resolution. A sensor of this size improves low-light performance, ideal for sunrise/sunset shots or indoor flights. Dynamic range, to better handle shadows and highlights. Image sharpness, expect clearer, crisper 4K video and ultra-detailed stills. This would be the first sub-250G drone to feature a sensor this large, making it an absolute beast for cinematic drone footage. Plus, the gimbal appears to be significantly upgraded. With a more exposed and robust mount, rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro might offer full 360-degree gimbal rotation, similar to DJI's premium models like the Mavic 4 Pro. This would allow for seamless pan shots, vertigo effects, and epic third-person angles with zero shake. DJI has also reworked the obstacle detection system from the ground up. Reports mention a brand new front-facing LR sensor, part of a 3D infrared sensing system capable of detecting objects up to 25 meters away with a 60-degree field of view. Why does this matter? Enhanced low-light safety, better navigation during dusk or cloudy conditions, improved forest or urban flight, fly-tight routes with high-confidence 360-degree environmental awareness. Paired with AI, it may even suggest auto-avoid paths. The physical design backs this up too. You'll notice enlarged sensor bulges, which are likely meant to house this upgraded tech while preserving the full freedom of gimbal movement. Redesigned internals, power meets portability. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include high-performance, vented motors, better airflow, reduced overheating, more consistent output, quick-release propellers. Say goodbye to fiddly screws and hello to efficient setup. 32 GB internal storage, enough to save footage when you forget your SD card. Improved heat management, longer flights without thermal throttling. All of this adds up to a drone that's not just small and smart, but seriously powerful. Long-range transmission, DJI O4 system. As expected, the Mini 5 Pro will be equipped with DJI's new O4 video transmission system. This offers up to 20 km range, ultra-low latency, live feed compatibility with RC2, RCN3, DJI Motion Controller, and DJI Goggles 3 for FPV lovers and long-range pilots. This means you'll have better reliability and faster response times during complex aerial maneuvers. There are also whispers of voice control and a dedicated cinematic flight mode button, allowing you to capture Hollywood-style drone shots with a single tap. Pricing breakdown. What you'll pay. Let's break down the pricing for different bundles. Base package, approximate $850. Fly more combo, approximate $1,200. This pricing puts the Mini 5 Pro squarely between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S. For the features you're getting, that price tag is extremely competitive and positions this drone as a must-have for serious content creators and drone enthusiasts. Osmo 360 camera, a companion worth noting. In parallel with the drone launch, DJI is also dropping their new Osmo 360 action camera, and it's turning heads with specs that border on cinematic. Here's what we know: dual 1-inch sensors, f/1.9 aperture lenses, 8K 360 degrees video, 4K 120 frames per second, ultra-wide shots, 10-bit color, D-Log-M for dynamic range. This isn't your average 360 cam. With magnetic quick-release mounts, gesture controls, ambient mic backup, and even Apple Watch/Garmin fitness data overlays, the Osmo 360 is built for creators on the go. You'll get up to 3 hours of 8K shooting using the extended battery grip. It's also fully compatible with DJI's mic ecosystem and includes smart horizon leveling for those clean, cinematic spins and flips. Whether you're biking, hiking, or vlogging, the Osmo 360 is shaping up to be the perfect creative sidekick to the Mini 5 Pro. Final thoughts. The ultimate ultralight drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. With a 1-inch sensor, nearly an hour of flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance, 8K capable companion camera, and top-tier smart features, it's clearly aimed at redefining the ultralight drone segment. So the big question is, what will you shoot with the Mini 5 Pro? Cinematic flyovers of mountains? Dynamic bike chase scenes? Serene sunrise footage over the ocean? Drop your creative ideas in the comments. I'll be reading and featuring some of them in our next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials, comparisons, and in-depth reviews right here on Techno Trend Zone. We'll be covering the DJI Mini 5 Pro all the way through its launch and beyond. Until next time, fly smart, shoot sharp, and stay tuned for the next trend in tech.